Hello everyone, welcome back to another Bitcoin chart planning update video. So before I get into the current structure, I want to go over our previous structure that broke and where it was invalidated and why we are currently on the new structure at the moment. So originally this three-wave structure that we have here, this first, second, and third wave was not originally here. What we first had was, we were under the impression that we had a first wave here, second wave here, third wave here, and then we were actually on the overall fifth wave of this Bitcoin bull market. But in order to further, there was two things we were looking for. We were looking for all-time highs, which was right here, to be broken. So I'm gonna mark that for you guys with a line. So we were under the impression that there's two things, or we were looking out for two things that need to happen in order for this fifth wave to actually be confirmed, and that's a break above all-time highs, which is just underneath 74,000, and a pullback that will not exceed uh, half uh, or the 0.5 retracement line, which is right here in this blue retracement line right here under the 64,784 line. We have a 0.5 retracement at 64,210. So due to the price having a plus zero point 0.5 or 50% retracement from this overall rally right here, we broke below that, and we did not break over new all-time highs on this swing wave right here. This says that we are looking at potentially an extended or an even more extended corrective count, which brings us to our current overall wave count, which we're looking at one more low from this swing low down here where the yellow line is. We're looking at to break below that, and then finally start working our way up towards all-time highs. So again, one more time, we didn't reach new all-time highs on this swing wave right here, and we broke below the zero point 0.5 retracement line and broke below the final, the one I was looking for, which is the 1.38. We fell below that and haven't even recovered back up to that line just yet. So all of those put together, it's telling me that although it is not, it does not have to happen, we are going to be looking at potentially one more low scenario before finally breaking over into the into new all-time high territory. So we're going to organize this a little bit, and I'm going to remove some of these Fibonacci lines just because they're not needed anymore. They're not valid. So this is what we are going to be looking at to determine if this low or this one more low scenario is not going to happen, which is we want to see price break over this descending yellow resistance line we have here, and we also have this from the top of this wave up here to the current bottom of the wave, we have a 0.5 retracement line right here. So if we break over this yellow resistance and break into the 0.5 and hold it, then that's telling me that we're probably going to see, until further information comes, we're going to see, or further information provides itself, we're going to see this very large triangle pattern form. And then if that's the case, I will update you guys on what that would really look like if it were to occur. As of right now, it's not, so we're not going to focus on it. But again, this is what I'm currently looking for due to this extended drop. We will continue to, if the price were to drop lower, we'll keep stretching this this as it goes lower. As of right now, this is the current low for this trend. So again, we're looking for potentially one more low below this yellow support area right here. There's two things I'll confirm in that it will not happen. It's going to be invalidated, and that's if we break above this yellow resistance that's moving downwards, and we break above this 0.5 retracement line up here. So those are two things that will invalidate this purple Fibonacci area down here to be invalidated. There's also the talk of there's a lot of positive news out there. There's a lot of analysts trying to hype up Bitcoin and getting it to just go ahead and make new all-time highs as soon as possible. Although if we focus specifically just on the structures on the chart and what information is provided in front of us, because of course we are all in this to make consistent profits and to make a living and get into our preferred lifestyle from trading. Of course, that's what it's all about at the end of the day. And of course, the satisfaction of being able to trade, it's very fun. It all comes down to being cautious, disciplined traders, right? We are not in here to make a ton of these YOLO hyped up, random out of a sudden impatient trades. We're here to, make cautious decisions, understanding every possible scenario, the upside, the downside, pros and cons of every potential move and trade you can make on any specific day. Because again, we are cautious traders, and that's what we focus on doing. As of right now, again, remember, although prices are pretty much sold off quite well, and the RSI is showing oversold prices, we still have a very clear downtrend that has not broken above its resistance, and we have understanding investor sentiment levels. We understand that we can see potentially one more low into this area down here before we see a recovery into the green areas up here, and that will be invalidated if we see the price break over this yellow line and break below the 0.5 blue or light blue line right here. That's what we're looking out for. So as we continue to see more price trends, more information present itself, I would update you guys with more videos. But just so you know, I have some social medias linked in the description, and I will update you guys a lot more frequently on there, and well before I update anything on YouTube, so you can stay up to date with that as well, including a Discord that I have linked down below in my website. I have the invitation link there for you guys to check out. Hope this made sense. Hope you guys are staying patient and taking trades according to your risk tolerance. Of course, this is all my opinion right here on how I manage these trades and how I read the charts. But if it makes sense to you, I really appreciate you guys and hope you leave this video with a like and a subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Take care.